Hey there loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be in my entryway playing with some fall decor looks on my console table. So if you guys are looking for some fall inspired looks for your home, then definitely keep on watching. For styling idea number 1, I'm going down with a stack of books, and my books are from Amazon. One is actually just a book with a cover of the white book over it. I like to do that when I'm trying to stay within my color theme. So that's just an idea or a hack for you guys. If you don't have the color theme that you want, if your book comes with covers, just go ahead and use them on other books. To the top of my books, I'm going to add my DIY vase and some greenery. Of course, you guys can use fall stems if you want to, but early on in the season, I like to keep my greenery, and then later on down, go ahead and replace that with some fall stems. Behind my stack of books, I'm going to add my DIY painting, and then right to the edge of my painting, I'm going down with a mix match set of candlestick holders. And I like to mix match just to give the eyes something to look at, and also I love playing with the different design styles as well as the different textures. Then to my candlestick holders, I'm going in with my LED candlesticks, and that is it for look number 1. What do you guys think about this one? It's very minimalistic, very simple, yet still very elegant, and I think it's very good for a transition into fall. Also remember to let me know which look is your favorite down in the comment section below. For styling idea number 2, I'm going in first with my tall vase from Yusk. I absolutely love this vase. It gives vintage but also modern at the same time. Then to my vase, I'm going in with 2 different fall stems, and I chose these 2 together because I wanted the orange to signify that the leaves are changing. So I chose this orangey brown stem, and then the brown leaves are to signify that the leaves are ready to fall. Next to my vase, I'm going to add a stack of books, and then on top of my books, I wanted to go in and add this vase. It's actually shaped like a 4-leaf clover, but I absolutely love the color of it, so I thought it would fit in really nicely. So I'm adding this vase on top, and then I'm going to just add some filler to it. For my bowl fillers, I wanted to go in with pine cones and acorns and those little woven balls, the acorn flowers, just things that you would usually see falling around fall time. I wanted to add those to my bowls. Then to the opposite end of my vase, I wanted to go ahead and add those candles in the mix match candlestick holders. I decided to swap it around just to see how it would look, so let me know which one you actually like more or prefer. The bowl on the opposite end by itself and the candlestick holders on top of the books, or vice versa. For styling idea number 3, I wanted to use my really large DIY upcycled vase along with my newest vase that I got from Yusk as well. And this just reminds me of fall. I know I say it every time I see it or use it, but it does. It looks like a pumpkin to me because of the stripes. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. Then to my tallest vase, I'm going in with some fall colored eucalyptus stems and then the green ones, and I wanted to use the more yellowy eucalyptus stems just to signify that the leaves are changing, and also the green leaves just to signify that it still has life or new life. You know what I mean? It's still nice and green and lively, and then the other ones are just starting to fade and change its color. Right beside my smaller vase, I'm going in with a stack of books. Then on top of my books, I'm going in with that vase with the fillers. And then to the edge of the books, I'm going to add my mix match candlestick holders along with my LED candles. The candlestick holders I cannot link because I've had them for ages. And the LED candlesticks are from Yusk. For everyone that loves pumpkins, I decided to go ahead and remove my bowl fillers and just create a small pumpkin patch. So I'm just going to use 3 pumpkins. I'm starting off with the larger one a little further to the back. Then beside it, I'm going to use the white one and just lean it on top of the orangey one. And then right to the front, I'm going to add the smaller orange one. And I love that all of them have a different color and it looks really cute, but it also ties into the color scheme of the entire table. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know down below which look was your favorite. Also, do not leave without giving me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, I will see y'all in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen. You guys stay safe, and until next time,